So you want to know how to make an additional $100 to $300 per day, right? Well, this video is definitely for you. Hey guys, Mandy here, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you a step-by-step, completely detailed tutorial on how you can do this. First, we're gonna cover where and how to find a good product to promote that has a high potential of being profitable. Then, we're gonna go over a tool that makes it super easy to share your links all in one place. Finally, I'm gonna go over my #1 recommendation on how to promote your product and make sales for totally free. So hang tight, grab some snacks, and let's hop right into the tutorial. First, we want to head over to this site called ClickBank.com. This is a website where we can find products that other people have created for us to promote and get paid in return. Next, we're going to look for and click on this sign up button to create our account. Go ahead and choose your country. I'm going to leave mine as the US. For the first name, I'll put Mandy. For the last name, I'm just going to put tutorials as an example, but use your real last name, obviously. Then, I'll enter my cell number. Next, we enter a valid email address, so I'm gonna go ahead and enter mandytutorials@outlook.com. Go ahead and choose a password. Now, in order to move on, we're going to have to click on this Terms and Conditions button and agree to it. You can read all of this if you want to. Once we've agreed to the terms, we can just click No here, and then No again. Once inside, you should see a page like this. You're gonna click this button that says Complete My Profile and enter all your personal details. You'll need to do this for ClickBank to approve you as an affiliate. After you're approved, you can finally search for products to start making some money. Your brand new account will look like this with no stats or any data. From here, we're gonna head over to this left area and click here to expand the panel so we can go to the affiliate marketplace. Here, you can see all the available categories, with each category having multiple products that you can promote. Any category that interests you, you can potentially go and promote something from there. But for today, let's check out what's in the health and fitness space. As you've probably guessed, each of these are listings for different products that you can promote that will pay you commissions whenever someone buys. Let's take a look at Exhipier. I'm not sure if that's how it's pronounced, but I know many affiliates have been raking in commissions from this product. We can see that it's a professionally and beautifully designed website that is created to sell, and we don't have to worry about creating anything ourselves. All we would have to do is drive traffic to this page, and for each person that buys, this company would give us a cut of the revenue. Now, does this mean you should go and promote this product? You could if you really wanted to, but let's quickly run through the basics of how to choose a good product to promote. The first thing you want to do is look at the gravity score. This usually is a decent indicator of how well a product is doing. It's a metric that is calculated based on the number of affiliates that have been making money with the product over a period of time. So basically, the higher the gravity score, the more affiliates have been having success with the product. I personally only promote products that have a gravity of above 50 in most cases. Next, I usually look for products that have recurring billing to ensure that I get paid every month for the work I did only once. As long as the customer stays a part of the product's monthly subscription, I get a monthly check, which is a pretty awesome feeling if I do say so myself. We can clearly see that this product checks off both of our boxes and has healthy commissions where you can potentially make up to $154 on average every single time someone buys this product through you. But the decision to promote it is still up to you if you're comfortable with the product or not. The last thing you want to do is promote something you don't believe in or can't get behind. So while the supplement space is very profitable, and you can try it if you feel like you want to, I am not really passionate about promoting these kind of products myself, but that's just personal preference. I was doing some light browsing before recording this video and found a product that's more along my taste. I believe it's here on the second page if I remember correctly. Yes, so here it is. This custom keto diet product. It definitely pays less than the supplement, but $52 profit per sale is still pretty good. We can also see here that it also has recurring billing and a good gravity score. In order to grab our link that we'll be using to promote the product, all we have to do is click this promote button. Your account nickname is what you would have created while you were setting up your account. It will be used to tell ClickBank that any traffic you send is coming through your affiliate link, and if any purchases are made, you should be the one getting the commissions. Next, all you have to do is then click the Generate Hoplinks button to create your personal affiliate link for this product. I'm gonna copy my link here and head over to my empty Word document to paste it for safekeeping. Let me type out the title so I know what the link is for. So that's Keto Diet. Also, just to check, if we head back to the browser and paste the link there, it should take us to the product website. So here we are. Anyone who clicks on your link will now be taken to this landing page where they will watch this professionally created sales video to get them to convert into buyers. Once they finish watching the video, if they decide to make a purchase, then you will be paid a cut of that sale. As we mentioned before, you can see your account nickname in the link here, so ClickBank knows exactly who sent the customer. Alright, so now that we've got our affiliate link, we need to go over where and how we're going to promote it to drive traffic to the product. For that, we're going to head over to Linktree by going to this URL. I'm sure you've probably seen influencers use Linktree pages before, so we're going to create our own for free. So I'm just going to click this Get Started for Free button and then fill out my information. So username, we can name this Mandy Tutorials. Then here I'll enter my email address. Then choose a password. Accept the terms and conditions, then click the Sign Up button. Here you should enter your name, but I'm just gonna put Mandy Tutorials again. Click Continue. Next, you'll be taken to this page. Just choose a few random options. It really doesn't matter what you choose. Click I'm not a robot, fill in the CAPTCHA, and then hit Save Details. Here, click on the free account, then click Continue to my Linktree. At this point, you're gonna need to verify the email address that you used to sign up for the account. So just go ahead and click on the link that they sent to your email. So the next step is to add the affiliate link that we got from ClickBank. We can do this by clicking the Add New Link button. Then, we're gonna add a title by clicking this tiny pencil icon. So that's Grab Your Custom Keto Diet. Then we'll head over to our Word file and copy our affiliate link and paste it in the URL field. When you're done, click anywhere outside of the field, and you'll see a preview of what your Linktree will look like. Now that we have created our link, the next step is to copy it and start sending free traffic to it. To do this, we need to head over to TikTok and create a free niche account. This is simply a faceless channel where you post valuable information for your followers and viewers. Here we have a perfect example of a TikTok account that matches our product perfectly. The awesome thing about accounts like this is that you don't need to show your face to get followers. As long as you are posting entertaining or educational content, you're almost guaranteed to grow with how viral the platform is. You can post recipes like these so that people will come to your profile to get new and exciting recipes. You can get content for your TikTok from places like YouTube and other free sources. The great thing about TikTok is that you can post your link on your profile and get thousands of views per day for absolutely free. So after creating your account, post your link right here in your bio. Whenever someone visits your profile and clicks on your link, they'll be taken to this Linktree page with your affiliate link. If we click this, we're taken to the main product page through our affiliate link. If someone buys, then we'll see that commission in our ClickBank dashboard, which we can then withdraw to our bank. We've now covered my absolute favorite way to drive free traffic to our offer. If you choose the right offer and stay consistent at posting content to TikTok, your chances of making hundreds or even thousands per day massively increases. For more videos on how I personally make a full-time income online, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.